When you subscribe, we will use the information you provide to send you these newsletters. Sometimes they'll include recommendations for other related newsletters or services we offer. Our privacy notice explains more about how we use your data and your rights. You can unsubscribe at any time. Britain is braced to bake in 24°C temperatures next week as a Saharan heat blast sweeps in. BBC Breakfast host Rachel Burden described it as a mini-heatwave as temperatures rocket from near-freezing conditions to date at 24°C by Tuesday. BBC meteorologist Aaron Bett warned that the heatwave will be short-lived with a dramatic drop in temperatures expected by Easter weekend. Mr. Bett told BBC Breakfast viewers the weather is set for big changes next week and into this weekend. He warned that this weekend will see near-freezing conditions, icy warnings as well as gale force winds before the warm air dominates the country. Mr. Bett explained, "It is actually a cold start this morning and we are looking at it turning wet and windy from the Atlantic for a while. That in turn will bring milder air. At the moment, we are in that colder air. Temperatures are actually close to freezing in many parts of the country." The BBC meteorologist continued, "To the west, we see that milder, wet and windier weather set to move in. This morning, there is still a risk of 1 or 2 icy patches given the earlier wintry showers from northern England. The cloud increases this afternoon from the Atlantic. We will start to see some rain across western Scotland. At the same time, the winds pick up as well. After that chilly part, temperatures will start to pick up into double figures. This evening we have gales in the north-west of the UK. Overnight, because of that cloud, rain and wind, it will be much milder than it was last night. The clocks change overnight, and so does the weather. It will be even windier on Sunday with gale force winds quite widely. There will be highs of 14°C to 15°C in southern England. But it is going to get much warmer than that." However, he said that the Saharan heatwave will take hold next week, adding, "For most of us next week high pressure will be in charge. That is going to bring in all this mild, warm air from the south. The temperatures will continue to rise through Monday and Tuesday. The peak on Tuesday could be 24°C. But you can see by the time we get to Easter it will be much, much colder. It will be a really roller coaster ride. Temperatures could drop by more than 10°C between Wednesday and Friday, according to the forecast." The latest Met Office weather models show large parts of the UK turning dark orange as an area of warm tropical continental air closes in from Europe. Tuesday is on course to be the hottest day of 2021 and just short of the all-time March record set more than 50 years ago.